Hey everyone, welcome to YouTube. Appreciate you tuning in, following Hope for Survival. Welcome to the new subscribers. Um, Today, this video is a little bit of a change of pace from my last 4 videos where I've been talking about the threat to the homeland and the terrorist cells and so forth. Today I want to talk to you about this really neat preparedness tool. It's called the Dr. Prepper, and it's listed as a shower bag. It is a 5-gallon pressurized water tank that you can use for a lot of different reasons and support tool around your home front, especially in a grid down situation or even in a non-grid situation out around your garden, or if you go camping and so forth. I was attracted to this device for a couple of reasons. One, because it comes very compact. In this case, it flattens down flat and everything fits inside of this nice waterproof zipper bag that you can store it in and carry it by the handle. It comes with a very detailed shower bag user guide. Tells you all the different connections and so forth. As you see it here, I have it inflated using the battery pack, but you can also disconnect the battery pack, which charges via USB into a portable battery or another device that you can charge your cell phone with. And I'll show you more in a minute, but one of the unique features is you can disconnect it and you can connect this in about 3 seconds. And this is a hand and foot pump that you can actually use to pump air in to pressurize and inflate this bag. So if your battery goes dead or if you don't have it with you, you can simply use this pump to inflate. One of the things that's really cool about this as well, again, as I said, the battery pack, it comes in a waterproof packet that you can take the battery in and out to, and it seals with a Velcro tab on the back. And then it has a on and off switch, which you can pressurize this water storage tank, and you can hear it here. And this is inflating it, and once it's inflated to the point that it detects it's full, it will automatically cut itself off. You can hear it running. Another unique feature is that it has about a 4-foot hose and gun on the end that you use to disperse the water. The long hose is nice because you can set the water tank, 5 gallons, which is about 40 pounds, which may be heavy for a lot of people. But you can set it in a wheelbarrow, a push cart, or you can simply set it on the ground or a table, especially if you're using it for a shower. And it gives you 4 foot of hose for someone tall like myself to use it to shower off. It's in a black rubber material type tank with a stand built into it to give it some firmness to stand up on the bottom, and it has a cutout for the hoses underneath so it's not setting wonky on a table or on the ground. But it gives you the option where you're not having to hold this to then disperse it. You can set it on a mobile or stationary device. The water tank itself comes with a really sturdy strap that you can carry it, and it's got the cap on cap on the top that where you fill it with water. Also, the hoses are very flexible and durable. I've been outside for about 10 minutes. It's about 90 degrees, and I can feel the warmth already. That if you were going to use this for a shower device, that it would not take long to heat the water in it. So it's nice as well, because a lot of portable showers is like a 2-gallon bag or a 3-gallon bag. So the 5-gallon gives you more water for showering, or for 2 people to shower with warm water. So it's not overpowering, but the nice thing is when you cut it on and it repressurizes, then you can simply just pull and it comes out like a shower head. So it's not going to blast you and hurt your skin or anything of that nature. So pretty nice feature. You can get the Dr. Prepare shower bag direct from drprepare.com for $44 to $50, or you can get it off of Amazon.com for about the same price. I did notice when I checked last night, I bought this one about a year ago, and it's a 5-gallon. I noticed on their website they have 4 gallons and Amazon has 4 gallons. So I don't know if they've stopped making the 5-gallon tank. You may still be able to get it, but even 4 gallons of water offers you more than many of the portable showers. The 2 to 3 gallon portable showers are nice because they are very compact, but once you deflate this one and put it into the storage bag, you're basically looking at this space here. You could clip it off of your backpack together with the bag in it. It probably weighs about 3 pounds, so it's not taxing you weight-wise when you're trying to keep the weight limit of your bag within 25 pounds and so forth. And as you can see here, once you're finished with your shower bag or moving on or storing it, everything fits inside of this carrying case. It's compacted. The stand on the bottom of the tank takes in, you can put all the hoses up underneath there, so they're protected from hits or punctures. So this is it. This is the Dr. Prepare shower bag. So I just wanted to share this with you. It may be something that you have an interest in to put around your home front and not for your go bag. And again, it offers you a lot of features with flexibility of having 5 gallons of water handy to move around your home front for outside for watering plants maybe. If your hose won't reach or you don't want to drag the hose out, you can simply fill this device up and put it to work. So thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, please hit like. Again, we are now 11 subscribers from hitting 500, so if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and share this information with maybe someone else who could use it. And until next time, be blessed, stay safe, don't forget to give thanks. Bravo Echo out. Thank you for checking out the Hope for Survival YouTube channel. If you are new to Hope for Survival, you can check out our books at our webpage. Book 1, which is Hope for Survival, Getting You Prepared for Disasters, and Book 2, Hope for Survival, The Mindset,
are both available for order on the website. We also offer the Hope for Survival football stick, which is a memory stick set up as a digital filing cabinet with files already loaded on there for you to digitally copy items such as deeds, auto transcript for ownership, wills, living wills, loans, banking information, items that if your home burned down or you had some form of a disaster, you could have all your important papers already digitally filed on this stick. All you do is simply drag the digital file into the appropriate preset folder so that you'll have it in the event of a disaster. You have to flee your home in a hurry, or also if you're away from home and you need critical information that's personal, if you have your memory stick with you, you can put it in your computer and pull that information up wherever you may be. Again, you can find these items to order at our website, https www.hopeforsurvival.com, or you can email me at preparedness101@protonmail.com, and I will try to help you out. Again, thanks for checking out the Hope for Survival YouTube channel. Hope to see you again.